Hello and welcome to Paid Apps Buster. Yes, let me tell you what my channel is about right about now. So I'm going to be focusing on two main industry, and I'm not going to be taking it easy with them at all. Why I love these two industries, but yet they have the most amazingly good scammed developers out there in the world. I'm talking about football predictions, basketball prediction, in fact any sport prediction app out there, and any Forex crypto trading app out there. Yes, I'm talking about the pro version. So the aim of my channel is to go out there, pay for these apps and test them weekly, monthly, by yearly, is there anything like that? By month, 6 months, 1 year. I'll just go out there, test a lot of these apps, and I'm not going for the baby apps. You know what I'm talking about? I'm going for those apps that have serious ratings, talking about 50k ratings. I want to see what is truly going on in there. Don't take it personal. I'm not going to be showing you their picks for free, no, but in honesty, I will be watching them closely, week in, week out, and giving you my own opinion. And my aim, yes, my aim is to ensure we are only using the best apps out there. I don't want us paying, I don't want anyone paying for an app that is a total scam. Yes, you heard me right. Let the legit apps have their way, let the legit developers have their way. So I'm going to be going over Google Play Store and just looking at these popular apps, and yes, your recommendation too will also be very important. I'll go through these apps, pay for their premium, and see if truly they have something good to offer, because trust me, this year alone I've seen a lot of apps on the Play Store. They promise you one thing and they do the direct opposite. Some of them even change their tips in game. Once they know they are going to lose, they change it to another, and once that one win, they tell you this is what we sent out this week and this is what we want. I don't want that anymore. I'm fed up. I'm tired of seeing it happen, and I'm just going to go after all these apps. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, because I'm going to be going all in on this. Trust me, I'm going to be showing you guys how all these apps work, their interface. Yes, I'll be doing some screen recording, some screenshots day by day. If I'm going to be analyzing it for a week, I'm going to be showing the screenshot for a full week, Monday stroke Sunday, giving you their result, the win rate, their true win rate, because some of them pay for reviews and they just amplify the reviews. Some of them, once they win today, they start to tell you things like, if you give us a 5-star rating, you get the tip for free, you get it early. Most of those ratings are just scam filled, and I don't want that anymore on this earth. So if you want to support me, just like, share, subscribe, and yes, buy me a coffee, because some of these apps are not cheap. So I'm going to be using those coffee money to get most of these apps. But from the beginning, I'm going to be doing it myself. So I'm going to be paying for it myself and just giving you this information. Yes, this is going to be valuable content for you guys who are interested in paying for any of these apps in the future. This is going to help you make the right decision. And trust me, you want to make that decision right, because some of these apps are just there for your money. They are there for your money, and that is all they want. I'm not going to let that happen anymore, and to God be the glory. I'm going to be honest with this. If the app is good, I will tell you it's good. If it's not good, it's not good. If they are scam outright, I will let you know at the end of the video. Don't pay for their premium. This channel is going to be one to reckon with in the future, so make sure you are part of the family from beginning. And remember, you can support me as much as you can. And Trust me, I won't stop, and nobody is buying me out of this challenge. Nobody, no company. If you want to give the people something they love, then do the right thing. Go legit. Put in the hard work and let them see that your product is good. If you're a scam, you can't even buy me out with $1 million. Yes, I'm sitting right? Yeah. I'm sitting here and telling you boldly, you can't buy me out. I'm doing this to the fullest. So I don't want to waste your time. You're going to see the next video. This is just an introductory video to my channel. I'm going after every paid apps under the sports prediction niche and Forex cryptocurrency niche. I don't know, it may increase more in the future, but for now, this is what we are doing and we're going to do it well. See you on the first video, and let's see who the first culprit is going to be. Stay blessed, subscribe, like, and share, because it's going to be an epic journey on this channel. I'm not giving up, I'm not stopping, and no one is holding me down. See you on the next video. Stay blessed.